If you've forgotten your password for your Acorns account or simply want to reset it, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Acorns app or website. Launch the Acorns app on your mobile device or visit the Acorns website on your computer. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Go to your email inbox and look for an email from Acorns. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Follow the instructions to set a strong, new password and confirm it. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Acorns account with their new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Acorns customer support for further assistance.